and Alexis are going to do some head spinning. Are you ready? Whose turn is it first? Mine or yours? We're going to do a contest. Then take it down. Hurry.
But my hair's going to look stupid. Watch.
It doesn't matter. It's going to look stupid anyway because it's going to be all spiniful. Okay, I guess I'm going first then. We better hurry. Okay, we're going to see how long I can go. Ready?
Alright, dude. Things are going to die. Hold on, I got to fix it.
Well,
Oh my god, it's not working out.
just still spin your head. Now it's Alexis' turn. Ready?
Oh, my hair's pretty. Actually,
Okay, go.
I can't do this.
Just spin your head, dude. Go crazy.
I can't.
Come on. Hurry if the... The animal is loose.
The lion.
Now we're going to do it at the same time.
How are we doing this?
I don't know.
No, my hair looked pretty, now I don't. Okay, put it on the thing. I can't go like that. I can't look up all the way, dude.
Ready? Go.
Whoa. I'm dizzy.
Well, that was our head spinning. Well, bye. Say bye.
Bye.